bad sinus, and I can see that I have insomnia, hard for me to sleep, or as if I sleep, I will terjaga. Hi, my name is Aimee Nadira. I work as a payroll admin in aircon condition. What brings me here is because I have bad sinus, and I can see that I have insomnia, hard for me to sleep, or as if I sleep, I will terjaga every 1 hour. Maybe because of my breathing. So after almost 1 month, I try Halorum salt therapy. Satu minggu I akan datang 3 to 4 times. I can say that my sleep much more better lah. And my sinus also, dulu I perlukan 1 ke 2 kotak tisu because I have bad sinus. Right now, 1 kotak pun tak habis. I recommend lah siapa yang ada masalah sinus yang sangat teruk, boleh try Halorum ni, memang sangat berkesan. And mesti konsisten lah datang. Kena datang banyak kali, so kita akan dapat rasa dia punya different je, dia punya perbezaan dia sebelum dan selepas.